I'll show how to connect Google Search Console to Wix in 1 minute. Open your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to connect. Go to Marketing and SEO, open SEO Tools, then choose Google Search Console. Click Connect to start verification and copy the verification code or meta tag. Open Google Search Console, click Add Property, and paste your site URL. Choose HTML tag verification and copy the meta tag provided by Google. Return to Wix, paste the meta tag into the verification field and save. Back in Google Search Console, click Verify and wait for confirmation. Next, open Sitemaps. Enter sitemap.xml and click Submit to send your sitemap. Wix generates sitemap.xml automatically, submitting speeds indexing of pages. Check coverage to see indexed pages and review any crawl errors. That's it. Your Wix site is connected to Google Search Console. Monitor it.